So see here, in potential energy, what happens? Energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position is known as potential energy. See, if you take here, this is the ground, an object is placed here whose mass is m, and this object raised to the height here, this height is h, then some work has to be done because gravity weight is acting downside. So to lift the object to a height h, at least we need to apply force which is equal to mg. So now we can write work done by forces applied this side, that we call external force. So work done by external force is equal to, W is equal to force into distance. Force we can take mg and height is h. So we can write W is equal to mgh. So this we call here potential energy is equal to mgh. So see here, whenever any object above the ground level of a height h, then it possesses this much potential energy. So potential energy is here due to change in position, simply due to height from the ground, and this potential energy is known as gravitational potential energy, because we are raising the object, we are working here against the gravity. So now after potential energy, there may be another type of potential energy also, that is known as elastic potential energy. So here we have discussed potential energy due to change in shape. So now one is also here elastic potential energy. So elastic potential energy is due to change in shape. Very simple, if you take here like this a spring and compress it, as spring is compressed and then it is released. So due to change in the shape as it is compressed, it has energy, that is known as elastic potential energy. Similarly, you might have seen the rubber band. If you stretch rubber band, also it has got some energy due to stretching, that is also known as elastic potential energy. So the object which has got due to change in the shape, they are considered to have a potential energy in the form of, you can say, elastic potential energy. So these are the different types of potential energy and kinetic energy. Now we will do other concepts related to potential energy in next slide.